Hi guys. It's like 3 weeks to go for Thanksgiving, right? Who's excited to eat a huge turkey and some pies? Are you? Because I do. But wait, you're on a ketogenic diet, right? So this is perfect. This video is for you because we'll talk about 20 keto-friendly Thanksgiving recipes that will keep your diet on track. So, if you'll find a value on this video, please comment down below, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, I'll be giving a bonus recipes at the end of this video that you won't believe that it's a keto-friendly meal. I'll be putting the link for all the recipes at the description box. So, let's start guys. First on our list is Keto Cranberry Sauce. It's not Thanksgiving without cranberry sauce. Now your keto friends can enjoy. 2. Keto Stuffing. Feel free to stuff yourself. 3. Keto Pumpkin Pie. Pile on some whipped cream and your guests won't even know the difference. 4. Keto Gravy. Get ready to drizzle this over everything. 5. Keto Mac and Cheese. No pasta, no sacrificing flavor. 6. Cauliflower Stuffing. Cauliflower is a-okay on the keto diet, so you can still have stuffing on your plate. 7. Maple Bacon Carrots. Bacon improves any side dish, especially for keto lovers. 8. Keto Pumpkin Cheesecake. It's keto, we swear. It just doesn't taste like it. 9. Bacon Spinach Dip. Keto gives you an actual excuse to eat this with a spoon. 10. Cheese Ball Bites. Skip the sticks and you're good to go. 11. Keto Broccoli Salad. It may not be traditional, but it'll please keto fans and non-keto fans alike. 12. Keto Bread. So you don't have to glare at the rolls all night. 13. Loaded Zucchini Skins. You won't miss potatoes when you've got these in front of you. 14. Keto Peanut Butter Squares. Keto or not, everyone will be hyped to see these copycat Reese's squares on the table. 15. Bacon Balsamic Brussels Sprouts Recipe. You might want to make 2 batches. 16. Roast Turkey. Go for the dark meat. 17. Bacon Zucchini Fries. Add a keto appetizer to the mix with these bacon zucchini fries. 18. Cheesy Bacon Butternut Squash. Cheese plus bacon, what could be better? 19. Crudite Turkey. Cheesy but cute. 20. Brussels Sprout Chips. Meet the new kale chip. Now here's the 2 bonus recipes that I promised. Just like most people, we love Asian food, but struggle to buy takeout because of the carbohydrate content. That's why they came up with the low-carb recipe versions. Cauliflower Rice Stir-Fry Recipe. Just try this recipe once and it will be a regular. Guaranteed. Keto Noodles Recipe Singapore Style, chicken, bacon and shrimp. This low-carb Singapore stir-fry keto noodles recipe tastes just like an Asian dish you'd find on a restaurant menu, but you can just do it by yourself this Thanksgiving. There you go guys. I hope you follow your diet plans. That's the best ever ketogenic meal plan for this coming Thanksgiving 2020. So now, after Thanksgiving, what's next? Don't know if you followed your diet plan and if you gained weight after this occasion. I know what's in your mind. So now I want you to click this video right here right now to know how to lose weight without exercise. Go ahead, click it, don't be shy, click it. And I'll be seeing you on the video.